Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, then welcome. My name is Allie, and in today's video, I am super excited to bring you along with me as we refresh my main living space. Now, I have been wanting to refresh our main living space for a while now, not because there's anything wrong with it at all, but it just started to feel a little bit too cool toned for me. I wanted to sort of just phase out a little bit of the harsher grays that I had in the space and really just warm it up and make it feel a little bit more lived in, a little bit more calm, and a little bit more like us. So in today's video, we are completely refreshing the space. We're gonna be swapping out the rug, we're gonna be changing the curtains, and I'm gonna be bringing you along with me as I make all of these choices and just sharing with you my thought process. We're gonna be looking at some swatches together, and we're even gonna be looking at a couple of different chair options together because I wanted to work to just change out those chairs that are in our living area, again, to something that's just a little bit more intentional, a little bit more cozy than what it currently was. I'm super excited about it. I think you're gonna love the end result. I cannot wait to share it with you. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so again, this is our living room as it is, and I still like this room. To be clear, there's nothing wrong with these choices that I already had, but for me lately, it was just starting to feel a little bit too gray and a little bit too cool toned. I've been craving a lot of warmth and a little bit more softness in this space, and I found myself gravitating toward warmer neutrals lately. And what I've realized is that I wanted the room to feel cozier without having to fully redesign it. I think emotionally, I've just been moving away from the cool grays and just leaning into those really warm colors and craving that extra texture in the space. We do have a two-story living room, so my initial curtains that I have here, while they are very nice, they're not as full as I was really hoping them to be since they are only decorative. But we have an open floor plan, so that moves into our kitchen area, and I just really wanted to replace the curtains in this area as well and just give the room a really refreshed and full look. Two Pages Curtains to the rescue. I want to thank them for sponsoring today's video because these curtains honestly ended up being one of the biggest transformations in this space. The one thing I really appreciated throughout this process was how customizable everything was. Since our living room has the really tall ceilings and the oversized windows, I needed completely custom sizing, and their ordering process made it super straightforward. You can choose everything from the fabric and the lining to the pleat style. You can choose the panel width, which was actually really important to me in this space, and the exact measurements, which made the whole process feel much less overwhelming than I had expected. I also loved that they offer the fabric swatches beforehand because seeing the materials in your actual space and lighting makes such a huge difference when you're designing a room. So these are the three collections that I wanted to take a closer look at. It's the Celia, the Jawara, and the Liz linen. So the Celia was super interesting because they had all sorts of different patterns here, like gingham, and they had the stripe pattern. And I was honing in on that neutral striped pattern. I thought that could be kind of fun. And the linen is always such a classic choice, never goes out of style. It's always super elegant. So really for me, it just became, which shades I wanted to go with and how dark I wanted to go within the space. And I'm always thinking about, holidays and decorating for Christmas and decorating for, the summertime and everything. So I wanted to take that into consideration when I was making my color choices. And what I really wanted to do was bring out some of the warmth from the stone in our fireplace and making sure that whatever color I chose also went along really nicely with the paint that we have on the trim for that accent wall. So I made my selection, placed my order, and more to come on that in just a bit. The second large decision I had to make was the actual rug in the space. I knew that I wanted to bring in some more warmth in that space through the rug. I knew that I wanted kind of a classic, timeless pattern, and I have really had my eye on the Laloy rugs. I think they just have such beautiful collections, and I really love all the natural, earthy colors that I was seeing. I also know that that is another clean brand. It's very pet friendly, it's kid friendly, and while Rugs Direct did have some great prices, I did a little more research because I needed a very large rug, so I checked Home Depot, and lo and behold, I was so excited to see that not only did they have the Laloy rugs, but they had a beautiful option through the Home Depot website in all the colors that I was really craving for a really good price for the size that I needed. So I went ahead and placed my order there, and that was actually one of the first things to show up. So my husband and I got started sort of deconstructing this space, getting everything ready so that we can remove the old rug and then roll out the new rug. And in case you're wondering, one of my very best friends just moved into a brand new home. She needs a rug exactly this size, and she has always been in love with this rug since we purchased it about 6 years ago. So I'm so happy to know that it's going to a good home. We delivered it to her right after we rolled it up. So now I'm just measuring to make sure that the new rug is going to be centered in the space. Because once we put it down, I have no intentions of moving it again. I really want to make sure that we get it right the first time. The second we rolled this rug out, the entire room immediately felt warmer and more cohesive. I love that it has a slightly lived in, timeless look to it because it feels elevated without being too formal, which is exactly the balance that I wanted for this space. And because the room is pretty large with the tall ceilings and the open layout, getting the scale right was really important too. So, a properly sized rug makes such a difference in making a room feel grounded and intentional instead of feeling disconnected. Our old rug did lean much cooler, much grayer, and while it still looked nice, I wanted something with more warmth, more texture and depth to it to help everything feel cozier and more inviting. We did toy with the idea of switching the couch around, and we both realized that after trying one piece of it, we immediately hated it. So we went back to the original layout of the room, and I think that that was ultimately the right choice because it just allows things to flow a little bit better into the kitchen area and the other open spaces in our home. So we got to work putting everything back together, and there's little Olive. She loves just sitting down and allowing us to cart her around. She's such a little princess, but she was very happy once we put the couch back together. Before I knew it, the curtains had arrived, and this was such an exciting day. I'm just super stoked to finally receive them and to just really have them in my hands and see them in the space. It makes such a difference in terms of lighting when you choose your curtains, just so many factors to consider. It can honestly seem a little nerve-wracking and overwhelming, but the process of ordering was so streamlined that I was super confident that this choice was going to work out perfectly. The collection that I chose has such a beautiful texture and warmth to it. I really like the markings in it because I feel that that gives me kind of the feel of a pattern without committing to a full-blown pattern. Overall, I'm just super happy with it. I've also been really impressed by the quality and the craftsmanship overall. These fabrics feel so good, and maybe my favorite part is that they are all OECO-TEX Standard 100 certified, which means that they're made without harmful substances, and I appreciate that they focus on made-to-order production instead of mass producing everything. I ended up going with the triple French pleat style for the curtains because I wanted something that felt really timeless and tailored. I feel like this pleat style instantly gives the room a more elevated designer look, especially with the height of the ceilings. I also decided to do memory training on the curtains, which basically helps the folds hold their shape properly right out of the gate. I think it made such a difference because they looked really full and really polished immediately after installation. While I suggested the scaffold a million and one times, Greg was absolutely certain that our extension ladder would do the job perfectly. He wanted to be the one to do it, or else I would have gone up there myself, but he really wanted to just make sure that, he did it right and he didn't want to worry about me all the way up there on that ladder. So we just went one panel at a time, and he just took off the old ones, brought up the new ones. But he's so funny because once he got up there, he's also kind of a neat freak, which bodes well for me. But once he got up there, he was like, hand me the vacuum, hand me the Swiffer, because he just noticed, like, well, I'm up here, so I might as well get the windowsill. And it was just really funny. But the kids were involved too down below, just sort of helping me with the drapes and helping me hand him all the tools and everything. So the two-story hanging process was actually very smooth. So once that was finished, I went ahead and replaced the panels that are in our kitchen area. One thing I noticed immediately after hanging them was how structured and polished the pleats looked. They fall so beautifully and they add so much softness and dimension to the room without feeling too formal. And I'm so happy that I went with the memory training on the curtains. I think it made such a difference because they looked really full and polished immediately after the installation. Choosing the chairs honestly took me longer than almost anything else in this room because I knew they were going to have a huge impact on the overall vibe of the space. I kept going back and forth between a couple different options because I wanted something that felt warm and cozy, but still elevated and timeless. One of the chairs had more of a structured classic look, and the other one felt a little softer and a little bit more relaxed. I ended up going with the Wayfair chairs because overall I felt like the shape and the texture worked better with the direction that I wanted to go in that room. I also really loved the warmer brown tone because it added contrast and depth without making the room feel too heavy. I personally like bringing in warmer fabrics and earthy tones. I think they make such a difference compared to the cooler gray palette that we had before. And since this room is really open with the high ceilings, I knew it was important to have furniture that still felt substantial enough to balance the scale of the space while keeping everything cozy and inviting. And the second I placed them in the room, everything started to feel much more layered and intentional. And I really just love how they went with the rug and pulling in those colors from the drapes. And now that everything was set, comes my favorite time, which is to reset the space and put in all of those decorative accents that make the space feel warm and inviting. This room finally feels warm and lived in the way that I was craving. What's crazy is that none of these were massive changes individually, but together they completely shifted the feeling of the room. And it's just a reminder that sometimes one or two changes can make the biggest difference and the room can feel more you. So to me, right now, this room feels calmer, more welcoming, and I'm really loving the layered and cozy feel. And I am just in love with these curtains. I cannot believe what a difference, even if I had only just swapped out the curtains, I cannot believe how much it changed the space. And to have that fuller look in our space, it just feels so luxurious. It feels so much more high end and so much more pulled together than what it felt like before. So that wraps up today's video. I genuinely love the transformation that happened in that space. Even though we kept the layout the same, I cannot believe how different the room feels by just making a few different swaps. And what's funny is that none of the old pieces in that space were bad, right? They were all fine. They all were to scale. They all looked nice in the space. But it's so interesting to me, and I always find it so fascinating how just making a few different swaps, even something in the color of drapery or the color tones within a rug, they can make such a difference in your space. They can really warm things up. They can really make them feel so elevated and even a little bit more elegant or high end than maybe what you started with. Things now feel more cozy and intentional and the kind of room that makes me want to sit and just stay in for just a little bit longer. without us having to completely rearrange or renovate the space. So I would love to know what your favorite change was in that room. Was it the curtains? Was it the rug? Was it the chairs themselves? Or maybe it's just the overall vibe in that space. Let me know down below what you're thinking. And if you did like this video, I'd love it if you could give it a big thumbs up. It's a free way to support my channel. I really appreciate it. I love that I get to make these videos, and I think I say it a lot, but I feel like I can't say it enough. I just want to thank you so much. Thank you for being here and for watching and for allowing me to create videos like this. It really just fills me up so much, and reading your comments, connecting with you here, the overall community here on YouTube, I really do love it, and I'm having so much fun. Yes, it's a lot of work, but it's also just so much fun, and this channel has just grown into something that is such a beautiful community, and that's thanks to all of you. So I just wanted to extend my appreciation. I have a lot more projects coming up. I have another really fun project. That one is a whole room transformation. I think you guys are going to love it. It's in progress right now, and I will have that video out in a couple of weeks. So if you aren't already subscribed, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and that you have your notifications turned on so that you never miss a video. I also have a couple of fun giveaways in the works too, just to show my appreciation, because again, I'm just so thankful. So thank you for being here. I'm so happy that you watched this video with me, and don't forget to let me know which part was your favorite, and I will see you next time. Take care.